What the? Can't wait.
All right, let's get started then. Okay, so we're gonna start by this. It's a primer. So I don't do much makeup, so not good at it. Alright, so let's start with this. You're ready it?
Huh, okay, I'm ready. What is that for?
It's for your face. Don't do that.
Oh, my
Just
bad.
just relax.
Oh, relax, okay. It's cold.
My hand's cold?
No,
Sorry.
that liquid is cold. Whatever that is.
It's a primer.
It's supposed to be cold?
Okay, we're gonna do a concealer next. You're just not used to it.
Probably not.
Don't raise your eyebrows. Relax.
Oh, just relax. Okay, my bad.
Okay, don't.
That's how you do it?
Yeah, it's to cover like dark circles and those
Oh.
things.
I don't have dark circles.
You think so?
Hmm?
Okay.
I don't see the difference, but okay.
And then we're gonna do your eyes.
Which is that?
This one we're gonna do for Anthony's eyes. So close your eyes.
Oh, now I can close my eyes.
Yeah. Close your eyes. We're gonna use this color on him. I think we're gonna mix it with something shimmering, splendid. You know? Close. Like
It's
relax.
close.
Relax.
Oh, relax. Oh, okay. I'm scared. What are you doing with that? What the heck? What'd you do to my face?
And then we're just gonna powder his face before we put blush on.
Blush.
And again, this is not Anthony's color for sure.
Good. You can't really tell them.
You look white. Alright, we're gonna do next blush on.
Blush on.
So you were right, this is for your cheeks.
Yeah, it says cheekbone.
Smile. Why mo smile?
Okay.
Just relax, smile.
This is my.
Okay, so now we're gonna do some lipstick.
They get to pick a color?
No.
What? It's too red.
Let me see. It's not perfect because you keep moving.
What the?
So here's the finished product, guys. Can you go over there because like the sun is like against you and
Here?
you can't be facing. Oh, we'll switch here. The finished product. Ding, 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 ding. Here you go. Tonya.
Tonya.
You're now
Yeah, apparently
Tonya.
I'm not.
So what do you think? Do you like your face?
No, absolutely not. I don't like
You
it.
look pretty. Can you smile?
I don't like the
Can you
lips.
smile?
I'm smiling. What are you talking about?
That's your smile.
Yeah. Why?
Alright. Here's my pretty ants here. Hi, say hi.
Hello.
Are you happy with the result?
Nope. I am not happy. I can't wait to wash my face.
Alright, please